Hello, Strela. Welcome
Hello,
back to the
sir.
Jewel of Navi Mumbai. You came here last year when you were like a state celebrity during the Miss India 23.
Yes.
But after a year, this is the 24, and now you are the national celebrity, and you are back, to our side. So, what is your experience?
First of all, thank you so much, Green Yatra, for having me back again. I feel so complete. जो किया था, it was not just about, just for the camera, just for that sake.
Yeah,
That is what I'm learning from Green Yatra right now. You have
thank you.
maintained it. It was not just for like planting essay and then leaving it.
Yeah,
You have really maintained it, and I would like to thank you, not just from my side, but from everyone else in the world, because you are doing this we cannot do personally. You're doing it on behalf of everyone. So yeah, kudos to Green Yatra.
thank you, thank you, Strela, for
Thank
your
you so much.
appreciation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.